Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Today I am going to talk about how to attract money by law of attraction. So how do we manifest money in our lives? When you want something, the entire universe, all the universe conspires to get it. Paulo Coelho, you must have heard about it. So this can be achieved in 3 simple steps. The law of attraction in 3 simple steps to attract money. Now the very first step is clarity of thought. Yes, I mean you should know why do you want, how much do you want, what is the purpose. So once you're clear, okay, you want to buy a car and you want like a certain amount of money. So you're just asking the universe, okay, so I want so much amount and I want to buy a car. So when the clarity of thought comes, also you need to distract yourself from the negative thoughts that might come, like, oh, I don't see any way, things are coming, or how will this come? Just it should it should be positive thinking. You need to think positive. Let me also explain you the concept of clarity of thought. You go to a shop and you see there are hundreds of products. So you need to go to the shopkeeper and tell him your specific need and the amount of money, like you ask him, and the amount of money. So it's a similar thing with the universe. Once you have the clarity of thought, the next step is to, what do you do? So you just infuse feelings to those. How? By visualizing it. So you infuse those feelings. Now suppose I desire a car, suppose I need a car. So what do? I visualize myself walking into the car showroom and handing over the check to the car dealer and me receiving the delivery of the car. So this is visualizing. Or you want a beautiful expensive watch which you have been dreaming about. So you walk into the showroom, take out money from your wallet and hand it over to the shopkeeper, and then you're wearing that watch on your wrist. So this is visualization. Now you need to think always, you have to always think that you are a rich person who can afford to buy things by visualization. This is like, not only you need to think about yourself, you need to think about your friends, family and people around you. What happens with this? The more the affirmations, you strengthen your affirmations by thinking positively about everybody. You're always thinking about prosperity, abundance in a very positive way. So it strengthens. So it's easier then to manifest or attract the money. Also do it regularly. The more regular you are with your affirmations, the faster it is. So this is like the more like in a day, or you can do it morning, evening, or as you can increase the frequency slowly, but you should do it regularly. Also you need to understand that the universe only understands positive affirmation. Now when you're asking, I do not want to be poor, the universe understands it as, I want to be poor. Why? Because the universe doesn't understand any negative word. So not is a negative here. So what happens? You end up being poorer. So you need to use only positive affirmation. Now with the third step, gratitude. Always be thankful for whatever you have manifested or attracted, whatever you have, and in future whatever you are going to attract, in terms of money. Be grateful, be thankful always. Also, how does this help? It helps you by, there may be money blocks when the universe is trying to send you. This helps remove the money blocks. So gratitude is equally important as the first 2 steps. Once you are done and you understand these 3 steps, you need to understand the law of attraction start working. As we know, the universe is all about energy, frequency, or vibrations. So what happens? We align ourselves with the frequency of attracting money. With the same frequency of attracting money. Once we are following these 3 steps, we start aligning ourselves with the same frequency in which we attract money. The law of attraction starts working here, and then you start manifesting or attracting money slowly and slowly. So everything depends on, it could be a small amount, it could be a big amount, depends on your desired amount and how strong is your affirmation. Always have faith, and there you will have abundance, and that money that you are wanting to attract will come to you easily. So this is it. All the best. Do attract money, and let me know in the comments below if this has worked for you. So this is my first video on manifesting or attracting money. I will come up with few more videos. Till then, bye and thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you do like what I do. Thanks.